Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. This is Maxi Limit, and as you can see today we have a guest. This is Rafi. It's a very cute cat. You're gonna probably see him in most of my video, and then he's gonna come and say hi time to time. Okay, right? If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you are aware of any new video that I do. Without further ado, let's start. As you can see behind me, I have a new device here. It is the Curved Gaming Monitor, and this is by MSI. So we are gonna unbox it, okay? And that starting now. As you can see, we have the box here, and then for this unboxing we are going to need a knife, as we have to cut sticker here, and for that one we do need a knife. This is a big knife. Kids, if you're watching this video, make sure not to play with knife, as it is very dangerous. Alright, let's unbox this amazing monitor. I don't know how good this is because I've never used it before. That's why we are going to do the unboxing together. Remember, we are doing this together for the first time. Okay, so you know what, let me cut this and then put the knife away. I don't want to scare some of my viewers here. All right, so we're gonna cut this up quickly here, and then perfect, so I can put this away. Okay, all right, I'm gonna show you quickly what it says. So I don't know if you can see it. It says a gaming monitor by MSI. So this is pretty much it. On the side here, we do have the tags and some of few information. On the other side, we have just the box here, nothing special. And at the back, I have my name, so I'm gonna hide it a bit. But you can see you have the picture of the monitor. Okay. That being said, let's crack it open. Gonna open here and here. There we go, and gonna lift it up, and it says here, I don't know if you can see it, there's the name here. Ooh, this is beautiful. All right, as you can see here, there we go. You're gonna sorry, I'm by myself, so it's gonna be difficult for me to unbox this, but I'm gonna try my best to unbox it for you. Like this, it's very difficult when you are doing, oh, sorry, so that didn't work. So inside, as you can see, we have, actually let me put that on the side for the moment and then continue with the unboxing here. Let me see if I have anything else that I can pick it out. Oh. So again, we have another thing that came out from the box. Let's put it on the side as well. We're gonna see what it is later. Just want to take this out from the box so we can do it. It's so difficult. Alright, finally the box is empty. Let's put it on the side. Alright, now I'm gonna move the camera closer so you can have an idea of what we have here, okay? So we are back, and then we are gonna go quickly through whatever is in the box. Some book. Again, this is the manual. Again, inside of the box we have the display cable, and then we have the HDMI cable. We have obviously the power connector. As you can see, I don't know what exactly this is gonna do yet, but I have this. I guess this is for the stand. Oh, this is nice. Oh, have some funny color like red, pinkish. This is sick. This is very beautiful. And we have the stand itself. So wow, this is gonna be fantastic, eh? You see, we're gonna lift up this, and the monitor is here. It says fragile. Don't put pressure on it. Use a flat screwdriver. So they show you what to do and what not to do, right? So they said hold it from the bottom, etc. Anyway, we're gonna lift it up, and we can put this on the side, and as you can see, we have it out. Ooh. It is not that big, it's just 24 inch, but it's a curve. It's amazing. Whoa. this is it. Pretty close, so you can see how good it is. Yeah. Okay, this is a 165 Hertz. This is a curved monitor, gaming curve. This is the fast this is 1 millisecond response time. This is gaming OSD AAP. I don't know what that is. It's RGB light. We can rotate it, we can adjust. Has a AMD FreeSync, that's good. And the design, the frameless design. Sorry, it's hard for me to read backward here. But yeah, look at the bezel here. This is almost no bezels. This is amazing, really, really nice here. Okay, and at the back, as you can see at the back, this is where we are going. This is where we are going to put the mount, and then it's going to be amazing. And we have here the get the controls. So this is going to be sick. Here we go. Here we do have the port that I was talking about. It's called a USB, but I don't know. It's not really USB. We have a HDMI. Can you see it? So we have a HDMI here, another HDMI, and a display port, and then the let me see what it is. We have the audio where you're gonna put your audio, and then the DC port. Yeah, the DC in for the current. As you can see, it's curved. Not that much because the monitor itself is not big, but as you can see, it's a little bit curved. That's good. So let's put it here, and then we're gonna try to set it up. So we're gonna put it in like this, and then use the mechanism to lock it. There we go, and then it's locked in place. Now for the stand, this is where we do need some screwdriver. Okay. There we go. Then I'll lift it up, and then you can put this on the side, and here we go. We have our 24-inch monitor. So you can tilt it. You see, you can tilt it a little bit like this. There we go. And then you cannot rotate it side by side like this, but you can do up and down, and then you can push this down and up. Okay, that is amazing. Right now I have two monitors. One which is 1080p, the other one is 9 by something, very cheap monitor. I'm gonna replace that with this. All right. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing today. On my next video, we are going to turn this on and go deeper on the setting and see how this works. Okay. As always, this is Maxi Limit signing out. Alright, so we are done. This is the final product, and I will show you the RGB light that they were talking about. It's actually at the back, so I don't know if you can see it. We have a couple of RGB light that always change colors, and this is really amazing on both sides. One here and the other one is here. I'm sorry it's at the back, and sorry about the lights on the camera, but that is pretty much it. This is it.